Alright, so now that we got all the seams of the door about where I want it to be, I'm ready to start fitting the sill and the front fender replacement panel. As well as I need to cut the outer sill to match the panel and finish making this seam in the outer sill. Figure out how the inner pieces are going to fit together. So you can tell there's a bend in the outer sill that I need to match with the bottom panel. So work that. Still need to figure out exactly how far forward this is going to go, so I'm going to fit the front fender panel and situate it so I can get this seam exactly right before I start working on the rear. I need to strip all the filler off of this and get it cleaned up. Then once I get the panel fitted, then I can finish rebuilding the understructure, things positioned correctly. Coatings, needed to do the coatings before I cover it all up. Still got a lot to do. Just got to keep at it. Alright, so I'm almost done fitting all the panels. They're really close. Need to tweak this one, and I'm going to weld in this piece here in order to get it to match this rear piece. That'll straighten this piece out, and I need to do a little bit of tweaks here and there, but it's getting really close. Alright, so the patch panels are trimmed and in place, and pretty happy with how they fit for right now. There's a couple things that this is the original fender, this is the patch. They don't quite match up right here. I still have a little bit of work to do. And I decided to keep as much of the original fender as I could, just because it's original. Everything is looking good. The bow on the bottom is correct. It matches with the door now. Pretty happy with all that stuff. Everything seems to fit together. Now I just need to finish the understructure, and then I can start doing the final assembly and actually welding patch panels on. I'm getting closer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.